I will praise the Lord Jesus, who has provided a mess of fish for me to clean in answer to prayer. Got about 10 fish to clean today, and the purpose of this video is to review the Bubbe blade, and this is the one electric one with the battery. And
take another look in the good book. Don't let it pass you by. Let the Holy Spirit talk. Walk through the written word of Jesus. Then you'll love Jesus. La 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 la.
I was really excited to receive the Bubbe blade at first, and making videos on how to clean different species of fish with the Bubbe blade. And what happened was, the first Bubbe blade I got was defective, and it would turn on but it wouldn't turn off. I had to take the battery out of it to stop it. The company made that right very quickly. I mean, they shipped me a new Bubbe blade in less than a week, and I was very pleased. Off to the races. Cleans fish quickly, and I was very happy with it at first. But then what I noticed was, before the first battery, and the batteries charged, they last a while, a bunch of fish, but maybe 20 or 30 fish in, the blades got dull. And this is the E-Flex 7-inch blades, which I use on most fish under about 5 pounds, like you see here. The blades were dull, and I had to get a new set of blades, and a new set of blades works fine. But with the blades getting dull so quickly and not really having a reliable way to sharpen the blades, I'm probably going to be going back to my manual Dexter Russell knife, because any knife sharpener sharpens a manual knife. It's the serrated electric blades that are tough to sharpen. So I'm probably not going to be using the Bubbe blade very often, except when I'm making videos, or perhaps when I have a whole bunch of fish I need to get cleaned quickly, because the blades get dull so fast and they're just simply going to be replaced, and that's not satisfactory for me. Alright, so let's go ahead and demonstrate it, and I'll talk through it, filleting both the bass and the catfish. So the way that I fillet them is just go down to the backbone, and I cut through the ribs, which might contribute to why the blades get dull so fast. Fish over about 5 pounds, I use one of the E-Stiff blades, depending on how big it is. I use the 9-inch E-Stiff for striped bass over about 5 pounds, and well, I've even used a 12-inch E-Stiff. There was a little bit of a learning curve for the first few fish, but once you get the hang of it, it's really nice. I use a cross-handed technique, because I always like having the dorsal or the back side of the fish pointed toward me. Alright, so really not much time at all. 2 nice spotted bass fillets. That was about a 3-pound spotted bass, and this is about a 5-pound catfish. And I'm generally under the impression that it's cutting through the ribs is why it's dulling the blade so quickly. But to me, that's a big advantage of an electric knife, and it's so much faster and easier to cut through the ribs and then cut the ribs out as a second step. You can keep doing it that way. Trim that little yellow meat off of the channel catfish along with that fin on top. It already seems like this newer set of blades is getting dull on me. Hasn't been that many fish with the new ones. Alright, I'll probably trim this up a little bit. This yellower meat on top tastes a little bit fishy. You see, when I cut it off the skin, I also didn't get it completely off the skin there, so I'll go ahead and go to the Dexter Russell to cut that bit of skin off.
Good word is a message from our God. Gonna tell you all about how to get to the kingdom, the good life. Written in the word, in the good word is a message from our God. Gonna tell you all about how to get to the kingdom, the good life. Oh, I love Jesus. La 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 la. Love Jesus, la 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 la.